I was thrilled to see these attachments fit my Shark vacuum. The two tools that came with the vacuum were thin, cheaply made, and weren't getting the job done. I specifically needed a tool to clean the gross return vent for my HVAC system, and the included rotating, angled, and horsehair brushes were perfect for this task. Now, I can't stop cleaning. The multi-level adapters are perfect for using the tools with different-sized circular hoses, so I can swap out these attachments with my garage vac, or cleaning those tight spaces in the car with the crevice tool. The price was great, given the quality of the tools, and even better with the discount currently offered. Great product, great value, highly recommend.